Hey, what's up everybody? I am super duper excited today. In front of you here, this device is called the Mann accuracy device. It was invented roughly 1920-ish. It's a very short-lived kind of a thing. There's not many of them around, but this is technically a scientific measuring instrument. So the action is a Remington 1903 action. So this is the standard military pattern bolt for like World War I U.S. Army, right? And so that's all you get. You get just the action. And then on top of that, you get this modified receiver, I guess, and onto it is screwed this very long, very heavy walled barrel. Now, what on earth is this really for? Because it's pretty heavy. Well, you can look at it a couple different ways. This is maybe the best precision rifle you can buy. I don't know, because you can use this as a rifle. It's technically a firearm, but it's also technically a NIST or National Institute of Standards and Technology certified measuring device. So the purpose of this is to test the inherent accuracy of ammunition. So you can, let's say you buy 3 or 4 different kinds of ammunition and you want to see which one is the best or the most accurate. This heavy barrel attempts to eliminate all these other variables. So you put in 3 different brands of ammo, put this in like a vise, and based on the group that the bullets land in, right, it'll tell you which batch of bullets is the most inherently accurate. That's my understanding anyway. Now this action was developed, I believe, for the 30-06. This one is, it says it's chambered in, let's see here, you're not gonna be able to read it, but 7.62 millimeters. So this was advertised as, I'm presuming 7.62 by 51 NATO, which makes sense, right? That they would use it for that. But it's very clean. Let's see here. Now the 30-06 is a lot longer than the NATO round, so I don't know. I don't know if it'll work or not. Let's see. Why am I struggling with this so much? Yeah, it seems to chamber it just fine. Anyway, there you have it. The seldom seen Mann accuracy device. Makes a great gift. Get one today.